We're doing a 3-part series in how to stay calm and act quickly in an emergency situation. Let's get right into it. Make sure your first aid kit is in an easily accessible place, whether it's your backpack, your purse, your vehicle, your home, wherever it is. Make sure it's there when you need it. Be familiar with your kit in that you know where everything is. Whether you leave it as it comes from the factory or from us, or you reorganize it in a way that makes sense to you, that's just fine. But make sure you know where each individual item is. You don't want to be digging into your kit knowing, oh, I've got one of those in here somewhere, and you can't find it. Now you're just wasting time and you're getting stressed out. Again, knowing where everything is a great way to not only stay stress-free, but be a little more efficient saving time. Have everything you may need in your first aid kit, right? So have a very good comprehensive aid kit that covers everything from little scrapes and boo-boos all the way up to life-saving traumatic items, okay? Replace used or missing items. Let's say you used some Band-Aids out of your kit or even a tourniquet or something last week, a week ago, something like that, and you forgot. Now you're digging in your kit again. You're like, oh, I forgot. I gave that to Jim last week when he hurt his elbow. That's a bad position to be in. So again, make sure to replace any missing, lost, or used items out of your kit. Organize your kit in such a way to where the most crucial items are the easiest to access and quickest to get to. So for example, you could use a billy band to secure a tourniquet on the outside of your MyFac. That's a great idea. I do that myself. What you don't want to do is be fishing through a kit, finding the most important thing buried underneath the least important things. So again, keep the most important and crucial things easiest to access. It's the best way to do it. And then of course, another way to organize your kit is maybe second to the most crucial stuff is the most common stuff. So here's all the Band-Aids and little boo-boos that happen all the time. Those are easy to find as well. So again, in sum, having a kit that is accessible, knowing what's in it and where everything is will dramatically decrease your stress levels and increase your efficiency and quickness when responding to a patient or yourself in an emergency situation.